Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial in digital electronics. In today's tutorial we'll talk about a simple yet very powerful trick to find 2's complement of a number. Now finding 2's complement becomes an integral part of solving many questions in competitive examination. It could be questions on signed numbers or subtraction and so on and so forth. So it'll be a handy tool if you can find 2's complement in just a few seconds. So in order to start, I'll just go through the process of finding the 1's complement, which is pretty easy. If you have a number, for example, you have a number 1101. If you wish to find the 1's complement of a number, that can be obtained by inverting the bits. So all ones are converted to zeros, all zeros are converted to ones to find the 1's complement of a number. So 0111 will become 1000, and 1010 will become 0101, and similarly this becomes 1011 and this becomes 0111. So you invert everything to find the 1's complement, and 2's complement has the logic of inverting the bits of a number and then adding 1 to it. So if we add a 1 to this number, so what do we get? So we get 0011. So adding a 1 to this number will give me 1001. So this is binary addition, of course. So adding a 1 to 1's complement is going to give us 2's complement. That's the basic logic or the algo behind finding 2's complement. So this becomes 1 and 1 will give you a 0 with a carry 1. So this becomes this, and then you get 1 and 1 over here will give us a 0, and this carry goes here. So 1 and 1 again give us a 0, and this carry goes here. So it becomes 1100 in 2's complement, and similarly a 1 here added will give me a 0, gets a carry here. 1 and 1 0 gets a carry here, and then 1 and 1 0 gets a carry here. So having understood the basic principle and the logic behind finding 1's complement and 2's complements, now I'm going to explain the trick, which is pretty simple. So what you need to do is, the trick is you need to start writing the number from the right, which is the LSB, and then you do that until you encounter 1. So if we start writing the number, we'll write only 1 because we encountered a 1 in the first position here, we encountered 1 at the second position here, we encountered 1 at the third position, and so on and so forth. And once you encounter 1, you invert the rest. So that's pretty simple. So let's check this with the logic or with the trick. So we encountered a 1 here, and we invert the rest of the bits. So this 0 becomes a 1, and this becomes 0, and this becomes a 0, right? So we encountered a 1 here, and then we invert this, then we invert this, and then we invert this. Okay, we encountered a 1 here, then we invert this, and then we invert this. We encountered, so this becomes a 0 0 0, and we have not encountered a 1 here, so we keep it as it is. So let's check the answers with this one. So this was 0011, so we have a 0011 answer, so this is correct. So now we have 1001, 2's complement, this is also correct. Then we have let's see, the third number is 0101 and we get a 0110 and 0110, which is correct. And the fourth number is 1100. I guess I skipped the fourth one here, so I'm doing it for the last one, which is this. So this is also correct. So if we check the fourth one, we skipped the fourth one, so this becomes a 1011, and 2's complement by adding 1 will become 1 and 1 0 with the carry 1, 1 1 0 with the carry 1 and then 1. So this is the 2's complement of this number. This was left out. So if we were to find the 2's complement directly, we could have just written 0 0. We encountered a 1 here, then we invert the rest of the bits, which was a 0 in this case, so we invert it into 1. So this gives me the same result. So that is how you can find the 2's complement of a number in just 5 seconds. Just start writing down the number, the original number, from the right until you encounter a 1 as it is. So we started writing 0 0 and then we encountered a 1, and as soon as we encounter 1, we move on to the next step, which is invert the rest. So we invert the rest. So that is how we get to the 2's complement of a number in no time. And I hope you liked the video and the trick which is explained in this video, which is very, very handy. And if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to the channel. That'll be a great help. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Have a great life ahead. Bye.